3. Try. 2. Rags. Tool and material. First look sock 16. 4. Spare pack.
First, prepare can tool needed.
Cap and from cylinder head with shock loop 16. Spark plug with new one. Install the new spark plug along with the spark plug cap.
By turning on the motor.